What up guys, Miguel here from Tech, and in this video we're featuring another slick looking smartwatch from Huawei, the Huawei Watch 4. The first smartwatch to feature respiratory checks to give end users peace of mind when it comes to their lung health. It also features a crown for navigating through the UI and a down button to access the quick sidebar that features your most used apps and is also customizable. You don't even need your phone around to use the watch, because it features eSIM compatibility. Stick around to see these awesome features and how much the Watch 4 costs and more. Let's dive in. At the heart of the Huawei Watch 4 is your well-being, featuring respiratory checks within its Health Glance feature, a breakthrough in wearable tech. Alongside that, the Huawei Watch 4's Health Glance feature also automatically tests for ECG or electrocardiogram, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and skin temperature, totaling to 6 tests or measurements in one go. Which, if you ask me, gives the watch users peace of mind in regards to when to schedule that next checkup with their doctor. The respiratory check comes at the tail end of Health Glance measurements. In this post-pandemic era, it's perfect for high-risk individuals as the assessment gives a good insight into lung function, offering objective indicators like respiratory rate. It's done so by recording yourself coughing 3 times. Let me demo that for you guys. Alright, so here we are. Let's move over to our Health Glance. First, I have to put my one finger to touch this electrode and the animation goes poof. I have to hold this down for 30 seconds. Alright, so now I can take my finger off the port, and it needs 14 seconds of me sitting still and comfortably to measure everything else, like my heart rate, blood oxygen, and the rest of the works. Alright, so here's step 3, where I have to go somewhere quiet and do my respiratory check. So now I select continue. It says take a deep breath. When the time runs out, start recording yourself coughing 3 times. Here we go. And just like that, we have our results. No abnormalities detected. And here we have like a little quick rundown, my overall health stuff. And it says there that my respiratory check is good. As you drift into the night, the Huawei Watch 4 brings about True Sleep 3.0, a feature that ensures you perceive your sleep quality better, and it totally works. Admittedly, as someone who hasn't had the best sleeping habits in about 3 months now, I love this sleep tracking feature. It breaks down the total hours you've spent asleep, giving users an overall score and insights into how long they've spent in the NREM and REM states, or non-rapid eye movement and rapid eye movement states of sleep. And overall, just like the aforementioned smart health features, this gives the user a good sense of awareness in regards to their well-being, and in this case, how good their sleep's been. All that, plus the convenience of being able to stay ahead of your health with real-time notifications. From blood oxygen levels dropping to irregular heart rate and ECG measurement reminders, the Huawei Watch 4 keeps you informed, making your health a priority. And of course, Huawei hasn't forgotten about you healthy fitness nuts out there. The Huawei Watch 4 offers more than 100 workout modes, from outdoor and indoor running to cycling, jump rope, boxing, and even golf or swinging at the driving range. There's no way you can't find your sport on this watch. Furthermore, with dual band 5 constellation positioning, your outdoor routes for running, cycling, and even hiking are tracked with precision. Another cool thing about the Huawei Watch 4 is its support for eSIM technology, allowing it to be a standalone device untethered from the user's phone. To activate, once the watch is paired to their device, jump into the Huawei Health app and select eSIM management. We can enjoy seamless GPS navigation and even get access to Spotify to stream music directly from your wrist. Here, let's kind of check that out, just so you guys know I'm not lying. Well, this is Frank, my good guy Frank over here. On top of all of that, we should be getting the ability to pay with QR via Gcash using just the watch in a future update as well. The Huawei Watch 4 charges up from 0 to 100% in about an hour with wireless supercharge. It packs a 530 mAh lithium-ion cell and boasts 3 days of battery life in smart mode and 14 days in ultra-long battery life mode. And yes, you can fish the watch with the included charger. The magnetic pull is so strong, it even spins while attached, which is pretty cool. Now, the display that makes the face of the watch is a 1.5-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 74% screen-to-body ratio and is housed under this 3D curved sapphire glass. Notice how the glass kind of curves to the sides here. Weighing in at 47 grams, if you already wear watches to begin with, the weight isn't bad at all, and its depth measures 10.9 millimeters thick. Our review unit is the Huawei Watch 4 in 46 millimeters, and it comes in a black or steel watch case. The overall design language and build evokes elegance with its stainless steel case, sandwiched by curved glass on top and ceramic at the bottom. It even features some Huawei Watch branding engraved on the crown, the rotatable crown that also we use to navigate through the interface, which we thought was a nice little touch. For software, the Huawei Watch 4 comes with HarmonyOS version 4 out of the box, and overall, the experience has been pretty phenomenal with access to the app gallery to download apps straight from the watch, in combination with the beautiful display and UI animations. So, there's no doubting how anyone can be dumbfounded with how intuitive it is to use this classy-looking smartwatch. And before you start thinking you don't even have a Huawei phone running on HarmonyOS to pair with this guy, for both Android and iOS users, the Huawei Watch 4 ensures a seamless and integrated experience. We do lose some functionality like being able to use the watch as a trigger for your phone's camera when not paired to a Huawei device. So, with everything said and done, some of you may already be wondering, who is the Huawei Watch 4 for? Starting at 22,999 pesos, it's a classy-looking smart timepiece with a large variety of different watch faces and innovative health monitoring features, perfect for those who want a good sense of awareness towards their well-being, all in a convenient little package. I mean, at the end of the day, it's for those who prioritize style and convenience on their wrist. And for 23K, it really isn't too shabby for a product that will continue to be supported with cool updates down the line like Gcash QR payments and a wider range of eSIM support to complement your existing daily smartphone, whether it be HarmonyOS, Android, or iOS powered. For those of you already interested in the Huawei Watch 4, you may avail of them through the links in the description box below right now, as there's a promo going on which will allow users to get a free Huawei SoundJoy Bluetooth speaker, which looks pretty dope. But what do you guys think of the beautiful Huawei Watch 4? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative or fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on our socials. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Miguel, and this has been the Huawei Watch 4. And we will see you, or I will see you, in the next one.